Hello, beautiful human. I am Christine Blosdale, your motivational media coach. And I'm super excited to announce today that in April, I have a 2 hour workshop. It's going to be fun and interactive, and it's just for beginners. And it's for those people who are terrified of social media. They want to be more engaged with family and friends. They want to promote their business, but they don't know how to do it. And they're scared, and it's scary, and it's a monster. I'm here to help ease that pain. We're going to be covering how you can post on Facebook, how you can do videos on Facebook. We're going to talk about TikTok. If you want to do some TikToking, we can TikTok together. Again, this is only for beginners. So anybody who's really experienced in these in Facebook and Instagram and TikToks, don't bother. Don't bother coming. It's for beginners, those who are shy, who don't know all the great things that you can do on Facebook with your reels, how you can promote your business, how you can interact with family and friends and have a great time and look professional as heck. Make sure that you sign up though, because spaces are extremely limited and this will sell out. It's only $20. It's 2 hours of me, and you get to be interactive and ask me questions, and we're going to have a great time. So make sure that you RSVP. Again, spaces are limited, so don't dilly-dally. Sign up today.